Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of strawberry yogurt ice cream. This is so refreshing and I'm sure kids and adults will really enjoy this. I have prepared this mango and strawberry yogurt ice cream using ice cream maker. But you can prepare without ice cream maker as well. Let's see how to prepare this delicious dessert. Take 350 grams of strawberry. Clean it nicely and remove the leaves from it. Grind the strawberries into a smooth paste using mixer grinder. Strawberry puree is ready now. I just love the color of this strawberry puree. Heat a saucepan and add in the strawberry puree. When the strawberry puree boils, add in 3/4 cup of sugar. The quantity of sugar depends upon the sweetness of the strawberries. Give it a mix so that the sugar dissolves. Add in 2 pinches of salt. You can also prepare mango yogurt ice cream using the same method. Once the sugar melts, boil it for a couple of minutes. Add in juice of half a lime and switch off the flame. If the strawberries are sour, means you can skip adding the lemon juice. Transfer the strawberry puree in a mixing bowl and cool it for 10 minutes. Take 2 cups of unsoured thick curd. Beat it nicely using a wire whisk. This is the main ingredient for this yogurt ice cream. Once the strawberry puree has cooled in slightly, I am just transferring it into a bigger bowl. Add in 1 cup of thick fresh cream. Amul fresh cream tastes best for making ice creams. Give it a mix and add in 2 cups of thick beaten curd. Make sure the curd is not sour. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. Now add in half a cup of condensed milk. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of strawberry essence. If you do not have strawberry essence, means you can add vanilla essence. I am adding in 1 drop of red food colored gel paste. Mix everything nicely and the ice cream mix is ready now. Cover it and set it in freezer for half an hour. If you do not have ice cream maker, means you have to set this mix in freezer for 2 hours. I have prepared this strawberry ice cream using very few ingredients. I'll share this recipe link in the description below. After freezing it for 30 minutes, you can take it out of refrigerator. This is the ice cream maker and I have frozen the inner container in refrigerator for overnight. The lid has the machine and the pedal attachment. It has a start button and a timer. I have set this time for 30 minutes and pouring in the ice cream mix through the inlet. The paddle should be running while pouring in the ice cream mix. We'll get soft textured yogurt ice cream while making it in ice cream maker. If you do not have ice cream maker, means you have to freeze this mix for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the ice cream mix will be semi-set. Beat it nicely using an electric beater or a wire whisk. Repeat this step for 2 to 3 times. Delicious yogurt ice cream can be prepared without ice cream maker as well. Ice cream maker does its job perfectly. Making ice cream using an ice cream maker is not an instant process. We have to freeze the ice cream container for overnight. After 30 minutes of churning, it's time to remove the strawberry yogurt ice cream. Yogurt ice cream will be soft consistency like this, but we can freeze it in the refrigerator. I'm transferring the ice cream into this container. Freeze the ice cream for 3 to 4 hours or until set. This is mango yogurt ice cream and I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. Strawberry yogurt ice cream has set perfectly. Look at the texture of the ice cream, friends. It's so creamy and rich in flavor. Garnish the ice cream with the strawberry. Do try this strawberry yogurt ice cream and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.